What's going on, everybody? I wanted to give you a Senseonics update. It had a pretty good day in the market here while other small caps kind of didn't do a whole lot. So in this video, I'm going to go over potentially why this stock had a pretty good day today and also some things to look out for. So let's get right into SENS stock. So the reason I think this had a small rally today here was the fact that Medicare is planning on expanding CGM or continuous glucose monitoring coverage to more type 2 diabetes patients. And this could directly help out Senseonics and even stocks like Dexcom, things like that. Now, Medicare will cover continuous glucose monitors for a broader group of patients starting in April, according to an updated policy published by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. And apparently this policy change came in earlier than expected, making it a welcome surprise, and those were the exact words from JP Morgan analyst Robbie Marcus. And a few of Senseonics' competitors, Dexcom and Abbott specifically, had expected coverage to start in mid-year. So going a little deeper into this, in an earlier draft of coverage guidelines, CMS had suggested covering the devices for people with diabetes who take daily insulin or who have a history of problematic hypoglycemia. Now, the policy includes people with non-insulin treated diabetes and a history of recurrent level 2 or at least one level 3 hypoglycemic event. And this JP Morgan analyst believes that this policy change could open up a bigger opportunity for broader coverage by commercial insurers over the next year or two. But I'll leave that article down below for you. It does seem this may be why Senseonics stock had a little bit of a pump today. Now, while an 8% day is fantastic, it's really nothing to call home about. And based on the current market, I wouldn't be surprised for that all to be taken back. But in a second here, I did want to go over the chart. But first off, I did want to tell you that they have earnings coming up. And Senseonics has said that they're going to be reporting their fourth quarter and full year 2022 financial results after market close. March 15th is going to be the date. Now, as for Senseonics chart, this is one that actually hasn't broken its May 11 lows. However, one thing you'll notice is since February 2022, this has been in a clear downtrend with the EMAs completely unable to flip each other. But one thing you'll notice with Senseonics is they are expecting record-breaking revenue. However, this is still an unprofitable company, therefore it is high risk. And one thing you may notice with this stock is every time it goes under $1, it pretty quickly gets bought up. And on its May 11 low, it did reach all the way down to 76 cents. But thinking about it, it's been nearly a full year since we've seen that price. But I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on Senseonics. I don't talk about this one all that often. There really isn't much to talk about here. They don't give updates all that often, but you know, this recent news gives even more potential to the Senseonics of the world, to the Abbott Laboratories, and to the Dexcoms. But let me know what you think about Senseonics down below. It's been a long day for me, so sorry if this video isn't up to par, but thanks as always, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.